Okay, guys, before we actually get started, if you've not subscribed, do not forget to just click on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video. Also, comment if you want. Let's take a look at our analysis on our USDJPY for the week, starting with our daily time frame. As we all can see now, our USD to our JPY has actually been bearish. We can see our lower lows, we see the lower highs, we saw this impulse move, we saw the correction. Now we've actually had another impulse move. Guess what? We will be having a bullish move anytime soon on our USD JPY. Why I said is that let's do the analysis this way. First of all, let's see it on our trend. As we can see, our price has actually been bullish for some days now. On our daily time frame, we are actually on a bullish move, by the way. Now we can see that this is a key level here where our price came up. It came here to test this level, right? We can also see that this was also a key level here area before, where it has once served as a resistance level. See, it once serves as a resistance level, fell here, right? It has also come back as a pullback level and pushes up. Now our price is actually coming back to this our level here again, and once it gets to this our level, we will be seeing that bullish move on our daily time frame. We will be seeing that bullish move. By the way, at least let us be able to hit, I should be able to hit 135 this week. This is the key level I'll be aiming for. If our price breaks above it, then fine. If it does not and it comes down, then still no problem. We should be able to take our buy straight to 135 on our USD JPY. Now let's see it on our index, on our USD index, right? We can see our USD index itself is actually falling, by the way, and it is actually about to hit one key level here once our price came here and it bounced up, which was our support. We will call it our support. It also came here and bounced up. Now our price is actually coming here again. Once it comes here, hit this our level here, a little bit of a pullback. I think about we have about 50 to 70 or 80 pips more for our USD JPY to actually fall, hit this our key level here and bounce up. Then we should be able to sit on our USD JPY, whereby once our USD index is actually falling, right, on, then we will see that our USD to our JPY will fall. Then once our USD index start rising, giving us the bullish move, we will be seeing that our USD JPY start to give us bullish move, which means for the week that just passed, our USD was bearish while our JPY was bullish. Now this week we will be seeing a bullish move on our USD, then our JPY would be bearish. Now let's take a look at it on our JPY index, right? You can see that our JPY index was actually bullish while our USD index was bearish. That is why we saw a fall on our USD JPY. Now we on our JPY index, we've actually gone to hit this our key level, right? Whereby our price came to this level, it bounced, it fell, it came again to this level and it fell. Right now our price has come to this level, right? We will be expecting a fall anytime soon on our JPY index. Once we are starting to get that fall on our JPY index, then and our USD index starting to give us that bullish move as we are expecting also, then we will be seeing that bullish move on our USD JPY for the week. So that is the analysis for the week.